This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Gamesir controller. Gamesir offers several ways to connect, ensuring compatibility with many devices. Whether you prefer a wireless experience or a direct wired link, setting up your controller is straightforward. We will cover Bluetooth, wireless receiver, and wired connections, so you can quickly get into your games with minimal fuss. Let's get started. To pair via Bluetooth, first ensure your controller is off. Then, press and hold the home button along with a specific action button, like B for Android or X for Switch, for about 3 seconds until the indicator lights flash rapidly. Next, open your device's Bluetooth settings, find Gamesir Nova or a similar name, and tap to connect. A steady light on your controller means you are successfully paired and ready to play. For a wired connection, simply plug the included USB-C cable into your Gamesir controller and then into your device's USB port. It's that easy. If your controller uses a wireless receiver, insert the dongle into a free USB port on your PC or console. Then, switch your controller to receiver mode and press the home button. The controller will automatically connect, indicated by a solid light. If you encounter connection issues, first check that your controller has sufficient power. For wired connections, try a different USB cable or port. If using Bluetooth or a receiver, a simple reset can often help. Hold the home and screenshot buttons for 3 seconds to re-enter pairing mode. Finally, always keep your controller's firmware updated through the Gamesir app for the best experience and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.